going on, y'all? Gotta show you another video of this Pogo app and just how simple it is to use. It's an app where you're going to get paid for every purchase that you make. You're going to get points for. All you have to do is hook up your debit card to the app, and it's going to, basically take track of all the purchases that you made, whether it's paying a bill, buying something at the grocery store, convenience store, doesn't matter. And you're going to get points for it. All you have to do is push claim, just like this. You see here, every time I push claim, the points are going into my balance. The bigger the purchase that you make, you get more points for that, but at the very minimum, you get 2 points for every purchase that they can keep track of. So, like I said, all you do is push claim. 1,000 points equals $1 on here. So, like I said, once you get to $3, you'll be able to cash out. I'll show you that in a minute, but let me just finish claiming all of these. But it's very simple to use. Like I said, all you do is hook up your debit card or whatever card that you use to make purchases. And basically it's going to keep track of that, and then it'll put it into the account, and you just basically, basically just claim it. And you see here, when you go down to accounts, this is where you link up your bank account, your debit cards. I have 2 hooked up just in case I want to make purchases on my other card as well. So just that simple. When it comes to cashing out, like I said, you need a minimum of $3, and you can actually use PayPal or Venmo. So I'm going to show you that real quick. If I push cash out, let me see if I can get it to show me the balance or the minimum to withdraw. Maybe if I just click cash out, let me see. Yeah, right there, you need at least 3,000 points, $3 to cash out. So that's all you need to cash out. It doesn't take a long time to reach that. I mean, I can reach that within like at the very most, 2 weeks. Just on purchases that I make on a daily basis. Things like that. Like I said, it keeps track of every purchase, whether it's a bill, you're transferring money to one account to another. Like every single thing that you do in your account, you get points for. So, and the thing is, when you cash out, you actually get the money instantly sent to your PayPal account. So you don't have to wait at all. That's really cool. I like when, sites or apps pay instantly, because, it just makes things a lot easier. You don't have to, think about, I cashed out 2 days. Let me see if I got the money now. So you get the money right into your account instantly. No real work involved in this app. So I just said, just download it, hook up your debit card to it, and just go in there, every day or once every 2 days and just claim the purchases. I mean, they don't really expire. I mean, you have basically 14 days to claim it. So that's 2 weeks. So you have plenty of time. So I just say, once every few days, just go in there and claim it. And that's how that works. So if you want to sign up with it, I'll leave the link to this app in the description. You can download it on your phone or your tablet, whatever works for you. Get started with it. It's free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.